Be honest, did decorating for the holidays feel stressful this year, or was it a smooth process? Either way, I have you covered with the latest blog post readings with Stephanie, yours truly. And today we are delving deep into holiday decoration, storage, and organization tips. So thank you so much for joining me. I am happy to have you here, and welcome to the Solstice Living page. And without further ado, we will jump right in. Somehow, while juggling busy schedules, endless notifications, and trying to find a little peace in our digital AI world, the holiday season arrived. Am I the only one who's confused about how it's practically Thanksgiving? Did we even have seasonal changes? Christmas lights already went up in October. K-pop demon hunters seem to be the it Halloween costume this year. Before you blink, it'll be time to organize your holiday decorations and put them back into storage. Oof, duh. It's been a fast, yet also never-ending year. Regardless of how you spent the last 11 months, fall brings with it many holidays. Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, fall, All Saints' Day, Day of the Dead, All Souls' Day, 3 different holidays, Veterans Day, Hanukkah, Winter Solstice, Festivus, Kwanzaa, Boxing Day, and New Year's Eve. Who knew there were so many holidays in the fall? Which to me only means one thing: organization time. Could you imagine how much storage you would need if you went all out for every one of those holidays? An outdoor she shed at the very least. Thankfully, hopefully, you only decorate for a few of the above holidays. So why should you take the time to organize your Thanksgiving and Christmas decorations and other holidays? Storing your decorations in an organized fashion protects the decorations, makes it easier to set up next year, and preserves your favorites for many years to come. Keep reading and or listening to discover how to decorate for the holidays and store the decorations afterwards. How to decorate for the holidays. Follow these steps. Pull out every bin, decoration, tub, sign, tote, or container that contains decorations for the upcoming holiday, aka create the chaos. Place hands on every item and decide where it will be displayed in the house. Take it there. If you decide that there isn't a place for it this year, a decision must be made. Do you place it back in a bin and store it for next year? Ask yourself if you will actually use it again. Dig deep and listen to the answer. Could you donate it? Rather than collect dust in the attic, Grandma's lawn ornament may prefer to go to a donation center so that someone else will love it, buy it, and actually use it for what it's meant to be used for, spreading joy to the neighborhood. If it's broken, destroyed, or not working properly, recycle or trash it. We're also a big user of OfferUp, where you can list it for free and someone will be so excited to come grab it. The key takeaway: do not put items back in the bin to waste away, gathering dust and feeling rejected because you never let it live up to its holiday decor potential. Step 4, decorate for the holidays. Step 5, put items away in an organized and protective fashion so that the decorations are ready for next year. How to organize your holiday decorations. The beautifully organized holiday decorations dream. There are shelves that line every wall in the garage, attic, spare bedroom, etc., and each holiday bin has an assigned spot with a beautiful label. However, in our realistic world, bins are tossed up the attic steps and left where they fit. So to make holiday bin access as organized as possible and your life easier each holiday, follow these guidelines. Use shelving units to store decorations. Utilize shelving units if you have the space. These ones are heavy duty and maximize the height at 71.3 inches. If you have the space and extra cash, these Gladiator units are my favorite because it's wider and deeper. You may also buy at Lowe's, view photos below. You can also look at the link we'll put in the show notes. Give yourself plenty of space to maneuver around the storage area by placing the shelving units on the perimeter. Weatherproof bins for storing holiday decorations. Utilize weatherproof bins and stack on the shelving units. As we're in Texas and you're combating the heat plus the bugs, you want the extra seal, clamp down bins, such as these solid color or these clear bins. Remember to compare bin dimensions, width and depth, to the shelving unit you decide to buy. Ideally, you're also able to have the bins go in depth-wise to maximize width space. The great aspect of most shelving units is that you can set the height to match your bin height. Tip: heavy items on the bottom, lighter or smaller items up high. Group and organize Christmas decorations by holiday or season. Place each holiday with its mates so all Easter bins and decor are stacked together on a shelf or two shelves, all Valentine's Day together, etc. You can also store seasonally, so all fall holidays on one shelving unit, all spring holidays on a second shelving unit, and so forth. And this is just great so that you know exactly what you have and where it's located. Fun holiday suggestions. Store Christmas lights and ornaments without damage. Wrap those holiday lights around a piece of cardboard so they don't tangle and are easy to stack in a bin. Or buy a few of these beauties. Egg cartons work great for storing Christmas bulbs or the smaller ornaments. Or you can use this fancier bin. One trick on good housekeeping. Glue red Solo cups to a piece of cardboard that fits flat inside a bin. And then you place ornaments or small decorations inside to be protected. You can layer 2 or 3 depending on the size of the bin. Just don't tip it over. Or you can buy a storage box like this one. Separate your themes by bin. That way, if you decide to go with a pink theme one year, you only need to grab the bin labeled pink ornaments and leave the purple for next year. Christmas light storage bag. Premium storage light. You can use various Christmas light storage bags, ornament bags, light storage holder bags. And then you want to protect fragile Christmas decorations like wreaths and trees with specific organizing supplies created specifically for these items. And you definitely need a tree bag. They're cumbersome trying to get up the attic steps, especially the larger trees. And the tree bag protects your trees and lights if you have a tree with lights. And I love the idea of this one that stores upright, or even better, upright on a cart. So you can just wheel it out. So if you have the space to store vertically, please do it and then send me a picture because I adore those. One day I will have one in my house. Organize Christmas fabrics and wrapping paper for next year. Wash and store all your cloth, tree skirts, napkins, blankets, stockings, sweaters, etc. in vacuum-sealed bags to keep safe and fresh for the following year. And then as wrapping paper always gets destroyed, we know this, it's an unwritten rule. Protect it with a hanging in the closet or over the door organizer or under the bed organizer. And so you just have to ponder, do you want ease of access or hidden until needed? And then buy the organizing supplies that works directly for that. Storing fragile Christmas decorations and keepsakes safely. If at all possible, we recommend keeping the original boxes and packaging your more fragile villages, Santas, or irreplaceable items. It might take up more room, but you're sure they're protected. And then when you're unwrapping and taking items out of the box, place the bubble wrap, the boxes in the same bin it came out of. That will make putting everything away go much faster and smoother for you. Plus, if your bins are labeled, you don't have to change the label. And then you want to store and label all Christmas decorations clearly. Store all Christmas decorations together. Overhead racks, or 2, are amazing in the garage, but I recommend having a professional install it. Final piece of advice, label everything. It's vitally important. And if you don't have a label maker, painter's tape and a Sharpie works great. Write what room the decorations go in and write what's in the bin. It makes decorating go faster, knowing where to take each bin and where to put it back after the holidays. When did you decorate your home for the holidays this year? October, November, or were you holding out for December 1st? I typically wait until after Thanksgiving to decorate, but this year I was more than ready for 2+ months of Christmas joy. Just remember, when January arrives, or February or March, take an extra bit of time to properly store your holiday decorations. Happy holidays, Stephanie. I hope that you enjoyed hearing all about holiday decoration storage and organizational tips, and that right now you just enjoyed the holiday season and all the decorations around you. And as always, I'd love for you to stay connected. We share videos every week to help you create spaces that feel supportive, spacious, and aligned with how you live. Please like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a blog reading. Thanks again for being here, and I'll see you in the next reading.